So in here I have the ballast water treatment system made by Techross. As you can see here, there is a power rectifier unit having a red light. Having a red light means the ballast water treatment is shut down or stopped from operation because we obtain a higher TRO value. So when the TRO value is higher, while the ballast treatment is operated within minutes, it totally shut down himself. So as you can see, I have hit 12.00 TRO values, and our power rectifier unit is shut down. So we again try to operate, and there is a flow of current with the TRO 12.0, and again our power rectifier unit is shut down. So this treatment system is having this TSU system, the TRO sensor unit, and we have also here the CLX or the TRO instrument, measuring instrument. You have to check it to obtain a proper reading on it. To check, you just make from 0 to 20 milliampere, and from 10 I just increase by 12.0 to have alarm. So I have here 485, 9600 baud rate, address is 23, and I just exit. And as you can see, 14.31, that is our reading. So once the reading is above 12.0, the power rectifier unit will be shut down. Doing a ballast treatment, this must have at least 3, 5, up to 10 ppm. So we will check. To check this one, you must need to first change this chemical. This is a total chlorine bubble solution. Normally every 30 days must be discarded, and this is free total chlorine indicator with DVD powder. So to do and make check on this, you must need to perform a prime. Press the prime, and then after pressing the prime, you must need to press the enter button again. So it's counting now, and you must need to observe that the light for reagent, this is the light for reagent. Now the cubicate or the sampling bottle is filled with our total chlorine buffer solution with our free total chlorine indicator. So as you will see here, on the cubicate glass, there is no enough water on it. So once the water on it is not enough, together with the total chlorine indicator and buffer solution, you have no good reading of a TRO value. So here is our drain during purging period. Once the purging light is emitted, the sample water inside the cubicate glass will be discharged. So to operate properly, this TRO sensor measuring instrument device, you must need to make sure that the water samples getting inside of this cubicate bottle will be flow on this regulation valve, and make sure that you are properly maintain the chemical total chlorine indicator and buffer solution, and you must clean also the filters and make sure that this pipe is cleared, and you have also spare tubes to replace the wrong or old tubes. So this is the one of our CLX or TRO sensor measuring instrument device, and as you can see, if there is no water on it, there is a special valve regulation here. Once you rotate this valve clockwise direction, the water will flow with much volume. But when you rotate this valve, you can have the small volume of water amount to penetrate inside of the cubicule. So we can start now. We will do prime on it. If you do prime, you can enter this one. So it will have pulse 75 up to 0. As you can see here, the reagent was entering on the cubicule. Took on this bottle buffer solution and chlorine. Okay, very good. Sir, gawin mo dalawa para ano, maganda.
Gawin ko dalawang pump. Sige.
So now, battery is filling in. WPR1. Full of water. So it has now a water calibration in here. So the water is filling inside. Guys, okay na yung ating balance system, no? Meron na tayong TRO value na 9.45. Tapos meron tayong current na 1536 amperes. So meron tayong treatment. Yan ang ating treatment papunta sa ballasting in. Ang ginawa natin dyan, nagpalit tayo ng optic assembly. Tapos pinalitan din natin yung kanilang mga fittings, chemicals, yung mga solenoid valve na hindi gumagana, mga wiring na bali-baliktad, kinorek natin. So dito ako sa 6 office, no? Kung makikita nyo, gumagamit kami ngayon ng dalawang pumps.
Meron ng gear ulit?
Yun.
Ang ano lang?
Meron tayong pump 1, pump 2. Yun.
Ang ano lang talaga, yung hingin nyo.
So, gumagana na. Masaya na yung aming
Makakalit lang yan siya.
shout out.
Makakalit lang.
So guys, now we have the normal values for our TRO, and this our TRO normally ranges from 3.5, 5, 8 up to 10 ppm. And as you can see, there is a violet light color. I have 9.45 TRO ppm. It means our treatment for